Hey there, Dudes and Foxy Dudettes. Not that long ago, I did a video on my biggest style pet peeves, and I figured, why not do the same for grooming? So, if you want to see me get upset, continue watching this video. Now, I have a lot of grooming pet peeves. I'm only going to list a few for you today, but the first one we're going to talk about is an unkempt beard. An unkept beard is probably one of my biggest pet peeves because it's so easy to take care of. All you need is a little trim, get your favorite facial hair grooming tool, a little beard oil, edge up. It doesn't matter if you're going a little gray or even if you skip the edge up every once in a while. I mean, it's just so super simple to take care of. I mean, watch me. Look, a little beard oil, a little brush, tame it. Make sure it's not unruly. You don't want to look like this guy. The next one that really irks me is guys who don't wear a fragrance. Guys, it blows my mind that 80% of dudes still don't wear cologne. Cologne is like an icebreaker. It's a boost of confidence. A lot of guys are willing to spend their money on alcohol. Spend your money on a bottle of fragrance. I guarantee you a fragrance can do for you what alcohol can't. To be honest, we've done a bunch of videos showing you how to shop for cologne, which colognes are good. Those are there for a reason. Utilize those tools and get one of the ultimate icebreakers. Third pet peeve of mine, and this one I have to bite my tongue on a lot, guys who are still wearing hair gel in 2023 or not using any hair product at all. Now, don't get me wrong, I used hair gel back in the day before I knew better. The thing about hair gel is it's bad for your hair. Its main ingredient is alcohol, so it's going to dry out your hair. And not to mention, a lot of guys who use hair gel have thin hair. When you have thin hair and you use hair gel, it's going to make the strands stick together like a glue. And that's going to make your hair look even thinner. It's not a good look. Not to mention, there are just so many better options out there for people of all hair types. Just for instance, Pete and Pedro by accident came out with their new soft putty. We're going to cover that in a future video, but this stuff works great. Or guys are just not using a pre-styler like salt, but there's a whole bunch of options that is going to give you the desired look that you're going for. And not only that, but be healthy for your hair. This next one just grosses me out, but dirty, disgusting fingernails, toenails, but we're mainly gonna be talking about fingernails. I got this whole issue with feet anyway. But quick side note, why is it that the people with dirty fingernails and dirty hands are always the ones that want to share food? Like, they're like, here Chris, have this Rice Krispie treat. And it's like, oh, wash your damn hands. But I digress. Guys, ladies, pay attention to the nails. They pay attention to your fingernails if they're clean. Nobody wants to be touched or, see dirty fingernails. Keep them trim, keep them clean, pick up a manicure set. There's a ton of manicure sets that are available for men now. Ladies have manicure sets, but they market them towards men now too. So you can have a masculine looking manicure set. But again, and I can't stress this enough, keep your fingernails short, keep them clean, keep your hands clean, especially if you're going to hand me a Rice Krispie treat. And the last one we're going to talk about today is something that I noticed a lot of guys do not take care of. I mean, far more than anything else on this list. They don't trim their nose hair. They don't trim their ear hair. Guys, you do not want your nose hair to be part of your profile. I literally knew a dude, I think I've talked about this before, but I knew a guy that when he turned around, his side profile showed his nose hair sticking out. It's gross, unsightly, nobody wants to see it. Grab a nose hair trimmer. This is the one from Pete and Pedro. It's awesome, no tugging, no pulling, and it's got attachments that'll help you take care of your ear hair. As we get older, guys, we grow more hair. It's weird, we lose it on the top of our head, but we grow it in other places. I don't know why, but we do. Trim it, take care of it. And a bonus note too, take care of your back hair, because a lot of guys grow back hair when they get older too. Nobody wants to see that shit either. That's gonna do it for this week's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Most of the stuff that we talked about today is going to be listed down in the description, and we'll see you next time. So please be sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, do all the social media things, help me fight the YouTube algorithm, ring the bell. Be sure to check out thewellroundeddude.com. Dude15 will save you 15% off your total purchase. We got a lot of cool stuff, guys, and you can see some of that stuff below here on YouTube now. Isn't that cool? I think it's cool. And don't forget to check out our podcast, and we will see you next time. Take care. Clean your nails, trim your ear hair, trim your nose hair, and wear a damn fragrance. And I will see you next time. Peace.